Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we are going to show you how to change your startup sound on Windows 10. If you're interested to know how, keep on watching. The first thing that you need to do is to hover your mouse to the search box and type in regedit. Regedit is actually Registry Editor. Click on Registry Editor. Then click Yes. The Registry Editor window will open. Next, find and double-click on H key current user to expand it. Then double-click on App Events folder, then select Event Labels, then scroll down and find Windows Logon. Click on it. Windows Logon is basically Windows Startup Sound. Next, on this side, double-click Exclude from CPL, then change this value data into 0, then click the OK button. After that, close the window and proceed to the next step. In order to change the startup sound, go to the search box, then type in System Sounds. You also have the option to go to the System Sounds through the control panel. Click on this. Then a window will appear on the Sounds tab. Various sounds are available. What we did before allowed the Windows Logon to be shown on the list here. This will let us change the startup sound, so we just need to click on Windows Logon. This will enable the sound. Then click on this one to choose different sounds. You also have the option to click on Browse button to select the sound that you prefer. And then check the box that says Play Windows Startup Sound. Once you have selected your preferred sound, click Apply, then hit the OK button. Your Windows Startup Sound has already changed, and this will be the sound that you'll hear once you turn on your computer. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.